Today's featured car of the day is the car that started the muscle car craze, a 1964 Pontiac GTO hardtop, coupe, actually, a post coupe. This one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where the car was purchased new at John Hine Pontiac down in Mission Valley. Anyway, this one, I'm not sure what was under the hood, but had hood pins on it, and car had a roll bar in it and racing seats and a different shifter and some 10-inch slicks on it. So not exactly sure what motor it had, but I'm sure this guy was all business. Probably ran in the 10s or 11s just by the look of it. And good thing is it wasn't cut up or tubbed or anything, so the purists could still put it back to original if they wanted to. But anyway, 1964 was like I mentioned, the first generation GTO, which went from 1964 through 1967. And they started production in September of 63. And they expected to sell about 5,000 of them. And they turned out selling 32,450 of them in 1964. And this one being a coupe, a post coupe actually, with the frames around the windows to make it a little bit stronger. They sold 7,384. And then the hardtops, they sold 18,422. And convertibles, they sold 6,644 for a total of 32,450. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.